Hello students, today we are on our lesson on our 4th standard GK subject, and today we will learn about lesson number 39, important days. Lesson number 40, find the relationship. The puzzle game that you have to write down with your own. Lesson number 41, animal wonders. So let's start from our lesson number 39, important days. This lesson will give us information about life skills. Here is some information is given here. A. When are the following important days observed in India? Use the help box. For the clues, help box is given over here on page number 41 here, and you just have to find out the answers from that help box. The first, Martyrs Day, it falls on 30 January. Second, Teachers Day, it falls on 5th September. The spelling you can refer from this help box. Third question, Air Force Day falls on 8th October. National Science Day falls on 28th of February. Question 5th, National Sports Day falls on 29th of August. 6th question, Republic Day falls on 26th of January. B. When are the following international days observed? Use the help box. First question, Earth Day falls on 22nd of April. Second question, May Day falls on 1st May. It is also on 1st May our State's Day, that is Maharashtra Divas. Third question, United Nations Day falls on 24th of October. Fourth question, World's Environment Day falls on 5th of June. Fifth question, World's Health Day falls on 7th April. Human Rights Day, sixth question, on 10th December. So these were the total 12 questions and 12 days, that important days that we have seen and we have filled on the page number 41. So let's move on our lesson number 40. Find the relationship. It's just kind of an observation. A. Find the relationship, take the correct option. First, if a fish is to river, then a tiger is to jungle. मतलब अगर फिश नदी में रहती है तो टाइगर कहाँ पे रहेगा? टाइगर रहेगा जंगल में. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इफ अ जिम इज टू हेल्थ देन अ बुक इज टू नॉलेज. अगर जिम हमारे हेल्थ के लिए है तो बुक्स किसके लिए है? बुक्स हमारे नॉलेज के लिए है, हमारी जानकारी लिए है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, इफ फीट आर टू सैंडल्स देन हैंड्स आर टू ग्लोव्स. अगर हम अपने पाँव में सैंडल्स पहनते हैं तो हाथों में क्या पहनेंगे? हाथों में पहनेंगे हम ग्लोव्स. फोर्थ, इफ अ रुपी इज टू इंडिया देन येन इज टू जापान. मतलब अगर रुपी इंडिया की करेंसी है तो येन जो है वो जापान की करेंसी है. ऑप्शन बी. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, इफ हॉर्स इज टू लेग्स देन कार इज टू व्हील्स. मतलब अगर हॉर्स को लेग्स होते हैं तो कार को क्या होंगे? व्हील्स, क्योंकि व्हील्स मतलब चाक, उसके पहिए. कार को 4 व्हील्स होते हैं. सो कार के जो व्हील्स है यही उसके लेग्स होते हैं. देन B. Fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. 2, 4, 8, 16. Very easy. Double of 2, 4. Double of 4, 8. And double of 8 is 16. 10, 20, 40, 80. Again same. Double of 10, 20. Double of 20, 40. Double of 40, it's 80. हमें पीछे से जाना पड़ेगा. It is given doubles 4, 8, 16, 32. Again here 16, 32, 64, 128। अगर उसके हर एक कॉलम के डबल डबल वो आगे गए हुए हैं। 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64 and 64 4 जा 256. Okay. So here this was our lesson number 40. Find the relationship. Then we are on our lesson number 41. It's animal wonders. Some information that we have to first read on given page number 44. Do you know about these wonderful animals? If you don't, then tick the correct option. Question number first. Some birds can mimic our speech. One is parrot. Name the other one. Second one is मीना, मतलब पैरट हम जो बोलते हैं उससे उसकी मिमिक्री कर सकता है। सो उसके बाद जो दूसरी बर्ड जो होती है वो कौन होता है? वो होती है मीना। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, दिस एनिमल कैन वॉक, ट्रोट, कैंटर एंड गैलॉप। इट्स ए हॉर्स। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, ऑल एशियन एलिफेंट्स हैव टस्क। इट्स ए फॉल्स। Fourth question, which bird can fly backwards too? It's a hummingbird. Fifth question, which bird lays eggs in another bird's nest? It's cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. Sixth question, which is the largest living animal in the world? It is a blue whale. Seventh number question, the heart of a shrimp is located in its head. It's a true. Eighth question, which living species of birds has the longest wingspan? It is a wandering albatross. Ninth question, the tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. It's a false. 10th question, which was the first animal to visit space? It is a dog. So students, it was lesson number 41, and in this way, in this video we have completed our lesson number 39, important dates. Lesson number 40, find the relationship, and lesson number 41, the animal wonders. Thank you.